Hey guys, my name is Jordan Church. I'm with Oklahoma Hobbies and Radio Control here in Oklahoma City. It's been about 7 years since we brought you an unboxing video. We did over some helicopters a long time ago. A lot of stuff has happened since then. We got a brand new facility here in Oklahoma City with a racetrack and all sorts of cool stuff. Today I bring you a special unboxing video over the brand new Traxxas TRX-4 Mecedes-Benz G500 4x4. They put a lot of nice detail into the car, so let's get started. Alright guys, so let's go over some of the details they put into this car. First we'll start with the chassis. This is all pretty much standard between all the TRX-4 models. You got your heavy duty steel frame rails, adjustable wheelbase, dual battery tray, floor pans, aluminum scale shocks, heavy duty steel links, and precision hex hardware. The drive line, you got your portal axles, your locking remote diffs, high and low transmission, twin friction plate slipper clutch system, and the hardened steel U-joints and sealed ball bearings. Now the geometry, they've raised the center drive line and steering links and all your suspension links. 45 degrees of steering, high ground clearance, and a front motor design. Really helps you crawl a lot better. You can crawl almost over anything since it sits so high. Your electronics, also pretty standard for all your TRX-4 models. You got your XL5 HV ESC that you can run 3S, your Titan 21 turn 550 motor that sits on the front of the car, the waterproof Metal Gear steering servo, that part number is 2075X, the TQI 4-channel radio system, which we will go over here in just a second, waterproof micro servos and sleeved cables, that is for your locking diffs and high and low transmission. And you can also put in a light kit on this car, which adds that extra wow factor. So now we're going to go over some of the detail they put into the Mecedes. They put on 2.6 inch scale wheel and tire, molded inner fenders, chrome running boards, chrome front grille and skid plate, chrome exhaust pipes, and the molded body details like the windshield wipers, the front roof rack, and the side mirrors. So let's jump into the radio here. So this is your standard TQI Bluetooth radio. You got your front rocker switch on the front and your top rocker switch right there. This is for your high and low transmission and your locking diffs on the top there, 3-position switch. Pretty standard radio they put in all the TRX-4 models. Now this is the manual bag. You got your manual right there. You got your stickers for your fenders and your Allen wrenches and extra body clips. So now let's dig into the car and look at some of the detail they've put into the body and on the tires and all that good stuff. Alright guys, so let's take a deeper look in the car. Let's look at some of the detail they put on the body. First off, what I thought was really cool out of the box was the exhaust. I thought that was a really cool thing they added to this car. The front chrome grille and skid plate. You can put the light kit on the car on the front roof rack, on the side, the headlights, and the tail lights. You can add lights to those. They just added a lot of really nice detail to the car. It makes the red body really makes it pop. I'm sure the blue one does too. But yeah, so we will take off the body and show you guys the underside of it. You can put the lights in the front, on the top of the hood, and on the roof rack. On the side here, they're really tiny. You can put some lights. Let's see if you can see that. Right there. Yeah. Put it right there, and you can put the tail lights in the back. And it makes the car look really good. So let's take a look at the car itself. 2.6 inch Mecedes-Benz wheel and tire. Let it focus there. You can see the Mecedes-Benz logo. These are Traxxas tires. They didn't put any kind of licensed tire on it. The molded inner fenders that you can put rock lights on. They got 2 lights on each fender, and it basically puts an underglow on the tires. You got your, let me see if I can flex this real quick. You got your aluminum shocks up in there, your front chrome grille and skid plate, your chrome running boards right here, and your rear bumper that you can put a hitch on and pull a trailer, which is pretty cool. RC trailers are starting to blow up, so it's really cool that Traxxas added that feature on. You can put a ball on there and tow a trailer. So starting with the front of the car, haven't quite figured out what this plate is for yet. I think it's for a winch, not sure. But you got your 2075X steering servo right here. You got your Titan 21 turn 550 motor. You got your XL5 HV ESC that you can run 3S. You got your locking diff servos right here, and that servo right there is for your high and low transmission. Take a look at the underside of the car. You got your transmission in the center here. You got your drive shafts, your suspension links. Taking a look back at the other side, you got your battery tray right here that opens up and swivels, which is pretty nice. You can put taller batteries in there or thinner batteries, so that's pretty cool. Under here where you see it says Traxxas right here, those are your steel frame rails that go all the way around the car. Also throughout the car, sitting on the steel frame rails are molded wire retainers, so you can add lights and kind of make your rig look nice and neat. So that's a nice feature they added on. Sitting right next to the locking diffs is this box that is for your receiver. It is sealed so you can get it wet and everything like that. So that's pretty much it for the Mercedes-Benz G500. Like I said, they put a lot of nice detail into it, and they made the car look really good. The car should be dropping in the next couple weeks. So as soon as it drops, I will sell this display model, and I'm sure other people will pick some up too. I might just get me the blue one. I'm not sure yet. Traxxas has a lot of nice TRX-4 models that I can't choose from. So, but yeah, that is the Traxxas TRX-4 Mercedes-Benz G500. It should be hitting shelves here in the next couple of weeks, so keep your eye out. As always, like and subscribe. Keep watching for more videos, and we will see you guys soon. Thanks.